Hello everyone, welcome to Marketer Board Educational Series 2, The Marketing Brief. This series is designed for the marketing aspirants and the future marketers to help them understand different kind of marketing briefs which are important to write in order to deliver the successful marketing campaigns. Just imagine this is your first day in your office and somebody asks you to write a brief. You will spend hours and hours searching what is exactly the brief is, how to write a brief, and what other points we should I include in a brief. So where I am here to help you out with all these questions. In episode 1, I'm going to talk about the marketing project brief and how to write good marketing project brief. By end of this episode, you will get to know about what is project brief, why you need to have a project brief, and what are the points which you should cover in the project brief. Let's start with what is marketing project brief. It is a simple document which is prepared by a marketer who is also to their work either with the client side or the agency side. This is a document which help everyone understand the scope of the project and whole idea of a project, that what exactly is expecting out of this project and what the company is expecting to have or want to achieve out of this particular project. Let's just talk about why project briefs are so important. I know writing a document or a brief can be a boring thing, but trust me, it really helps to streamline the process. It's one of the most important thing because it helps build the foundation of your project, or you can consider it as a blueprint of your project. Because well-written brief can really help you deliver the success of what you want to achieve. It is also important because it gives you the answer of the following question, like who, what, when, where, why, and how things are going to happen, or how you need to carry out the project. And it also helps to reduce three major issues, like it build a clear communication. Most of the marketers have a bad habit of calling up the digital agency or the marketer and briefing them over the call without having a proper documentation, which leads to miss a lot of information. And if on the contrary, if rather than the verbal communication, if they share the written document about the project scope with the agency or the marketer, so it will help everyone understand the exact expectation of a project. Second, it helps to meet expectations. So if the project brief defines the objective very clearly. So here it helps everyone meet the expectation and work together to achieve the ultimate goal. It saves time because if there is no written document available with you and your client, then if somebody asks you about any information or any discussion happened between each one of you, then you will go and check your emails and calls. There will be so much back and forth, which consume you a lot of time. So all this time you can save by preparing a single document and keep updating it on ad hoc basis after. So let's just talk about that. What are the points which you should cover in your project brief? First and foremost, of course, the project name and the duration. A project without a duration is like you're shooting in a dark. So it's very important you know the duration of a project. Second is project objective. Again, the project objectives and goal is important to define. So it's important to define the project objectives so that everybody knows that what exactly the goal of a project and KPIs and targets of the project. Third is target audience. Your project brief should have the target audience, like whom you're targeting, and what are your audience demographically, psychologically, sociologically, or um, physical. Fourth is project description. This is a place you define the entire information about your project. You give the background of a project to your marketer to help him understand the exact idea of your project. Fifth is project scope. This is a place where you define the scope of a project. That these are the points which needs to be taken care of while managing this project, or these are the points which we are trying to achieve. Last is the project budget. This is also you define while drafting the projects. So again, it depends on industry to industry and business to business. But these are the points, the basic points which your project, your brief should have. Thank you. Coming up next, episode 2, understanding campaign brief and ideal way to write a campaign brief. Meanwhile, you can go and check www.app.marketabot.com. You can connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn.